Yes, welcome back or welcome to Absolute Dins. My name is Billy Cunningham and today I'm doing something Christmassy and festive. I'm doing a festive bake made famous by Greg's.
Let's go!
So, steak. Festive bake. This is a popular recipe in a high street bakery. I'm not going to give you the name, but in other news, you probably met my tortoise. His name is Greg. Anyway, I fried up some pancetta, just in a dry pan, no oil, just so we can get it a bit crispy. So here we are, pancetta in. I also cooked off some chicken breast in the RAF. I got some stuffing balls and I've broken them down. And there you go, in. I might use another stuffing ball actually, because I bloody love stuffing. I don't love stuffing blow-offs. If you have stuffing blow-offs, comment down below. It says on the internet, on this website for this popular sausage roll giver, that it comes in a white and cranberry sauce. Now, I was going to make a bechamel, but butter's expensive these days, so we're going to use a cheap can of cream of tomato, cream of chicken soup, and we're going to use that as our binder. Smells right. I'm going to use about that much for now, and then we're going to add some cranberry. So just cranberry sauce. I like a bit. Get that in there, and a pinch of sage. Sage is very strong, so you don't need too much, I don't think. There we go. Now the seasoning is in the stuffing balls and in the soup, so you're probably not going to need too much extra salt. Give it a little mix. So there we have, hopefully, our mix. I am going to add a tiny bit more soup. That's enough. And the balance of this stuffing ball. One more little mix. And that is ready to go in some puff pastry. Now what I'm going to do, in theory, is I'm going to cook one, try it out as like normal size slice. Then I'm going to make a little like roll version, so little Christmas festive rolls. I'm not really a Christmassy person. I did retail for 13 years. So Christmas for me was like a day off. So I'm a bit of a Scrooge and I'm dyslexic. Ball bag. I wrote that joke years ago. Now one thing this bake does have is on top, and I think the website says a festive seasoned crumb or something like that. Don't tell you what it is, so we're going to make our own. Some black pepper. Well, that's not black pepper, it's actually colourful pepper. Some flaky sea salt. Get some honey G's in there. A little pinch of sage. Others. And some parmesan, grated by myself, of course. Give that a little mix up. And that is going to top our pastry. Right, that's how much. I honestly have no idea how this is going to turn out, and I'm really quite excited. So I'm going to use shop bought puff pastry. I'm going to make them. Boy, it's quite a big one. It's going to be that size. I'm just going to make one for now. As I said, I'm going to make little rolls after this. Okay. Pastry down. We want to put a bit of filling in the middle, just in here. I reckon another one of these will do. And I should have made the egg wash straight away, but I haven't. So let's quickly do that. Return of the tiny whisk. some egg wash on the sides. And then we get our lid on. Combine that. Push your filling in around it, so you don't want it leaking out. Got a little fork, and we want to crimp the sides. Now, preheat your oven while you're doing this. I'm putting mine in the air fryer because my oven is total cack. So Father Christmas, if you're there, sort us out a new oven, my guy. Then we're gonna, and we're gonna just little hole in the top, just for air, and then some decorative scores. Paint with a little egg wash, Captain Egg Wash. Now, the crumb shot. Okay. Let's put this in the air fryer. I'm going to go for 18 minutes at 200 and check it. So I won't show you that step. So the next step will be me showing you on this here board and then trying. So 18 minutes in the air fryer, preheated. Let's go.
2,000 years later.
Okay. It's been about 16 minutes in the area. Let's check out this festive bake. Right, I'm gonna put this on one of these bad boys and let that cool down for about 10-15 minutes, and then we're gonna try it. Bang. It's go time. Let's cut into it. Oh, look at that. It's still well hot. I'm going to give it a go. Shut up. Is it as good as Greg's? Yeah. Right, I'm not going to clip this on my t-shirt. Right, hello. So that was a fantastic little recipe. I didn't know how well it was going to go down. As I said in the previous video, so this is a little bonus bit if you've got this far in the video. I made little rolls out of it, so little festive rolls. So the next day, this has been in the fridge. Okay, so you can see, hopefully that doesn't go weird. That's a big meaty boy. You've got all the stuff in, bacon, chicken. So let's give this one a go. That slaps. Now these will be great for like Christmas parties or whatever, just because, you know, little rolls on the table, talking point, people are going to love it. Anyway, as always, thank you for your support. Like, share, subscribe, and all that shite. That's your lot. Get out of it.
Absolute Dins, brought to you by Billy Cunningham
Yes, yes.
and Greg the Tortoise.
Safe.